Alright, what's up, Narcoleptics? Welcome back to another episode of Narcolepsy by Day. Today we're going to talk about Birds of Prey and some of the actors that may or may not be in those characters. Alright, if you're visiting us for the first time, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, we have Narcolepsy by Day apparel in our store. The link's in the description box. Alright, so we have Birds of Prey. I don't know when it'll premiere. I think it'll be probably sometime either late 2019 or early 2020. I remember this version of the show that I was in. They had a few people in it that I had seen before, but we won't rehash that. I think it was only on for one season, but I guess it's worth a view. But moving on. So up for Black Canary. Now they're going to make this one more diverse, so you might see some people in that you probably wouldn't expect. So first, they have Gugu mbatha-raw auditioning for the role. Also, they have Janelle Monáe as well. That's surprising to me, but she's got some acting chops, but it could work out. But not surprising to me is Jurnee Smollett. Now, I remember seeing her as a younger actress in what was the name of that movie? Eve's Bayou. Yeah, and so she's definitely been acting for quite a while, and could do the role pretty well. Next, we have the Huntress. Some actors for that role are Margaret Qualley, Kristen Milioti. Not familiar with Margaret Qualley, but Kristen Milioti, I did see that episode of Black Mirror with her and Mary Elizabeth Winstead. So her, what's the name of that movie? Scott Pilgrim vs. the World, and she was also in that. She's also in several episodes of that show, Fargo. And finally, we have Renee Montoya, The Question, and some actors up for that role like Justina Machado and Roberta Colindres. Now, I'm familiar with Justina Machado, at least I've seen her in some places. Not familiar with Roberta Colindres, but I wouldn't mind if they brought back Victoria Cartagena from the Gotham show. Alright, that's it, Narcoleptics. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you later.